Ever stop to ponder the intricacies of being human? Today we're diving deep into the realm of human existence. 20 intriguing facts that might just leave you marveling at the wonder of being human. First up, did you know that the human body is made up of around 7 octillion atoms? That's 7 followed by 27 zeros. And yet, if you were to lay out all of the DNA in your cells end to end, it would stretch a staggering 10 billion miles. That's a trip from Earth to Pluto and back. Yet despite this complexity, humans share 98.7% of our DNA with chimps, our closest living relatives. But it doesn't stop there. We even share about 50% of our genes with bananas. Yes, bananas. Speaking of sharing, we're not as unique as we might think. Each person carries around 100 trillion microbial cells. These bacteria, fungi, and viruses make up our microbiome, and they outnumber our own cells 10 to 1. Moving on to the mind, the human brain is one of the most energy-consuming organs in the body. It uses up to 20% of the body's total energy. And it's a storage powerhouse too, capable of holding an estimated 1 quadrillion pieces of information. That's more than the entire internet. But the brain isn't just about storage, it's also a master of perception. For instance, the brain perceives pain, but it doesn't actually feel it. An interesting paradox, isn't it? When it comes to the senses, humans don't just have 5. In addition to taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing, we also have proprioception, the ability to sense where our body parts are relative to each other without looking. Now, let's talk about sleep. An average person spends about 1/3 of their life sleeping. That's approximately 25 years. But did you know that only about 5 years of that time is spent dreaming? Speaking of time, humans are the only species known to track it. We've developed complex systems of timekeeping, from sundials to atomic clocks, all to keep track of our fleeting existence. Finally, consider this. Every human being on the planet is 99.9% identical at the genetic level. That means all the diversity we see around us, all the differences in appearance, culture, and belief, all stem from just 0.1% of our DNA. To summarize, being human is a complex and fascinating journey. From our shared genetic material with bananas to the quadrillions of pieces of information our brains can store, from the trillions of microbes we carry to our unique sense of time, each fact adds another layer to the extraordinary tapestry of human existence. Remember, despite our perceived differences, we are 99.9% identical, a testament to the shared journey of humanity.